Can stem cell therapy treat rheumatoid arthritis? And could it ever replace your RA medication? Hello, this is Dr. Siddharth Dambar, expert in rheumatology and regenerative medicine physician here at Chicago Arthritis. As a rheumatologist who's been in practice for 18 plus years, who's also been involved in regenerative medicine for 18 plus years, I do on occasion get patients asking me whether stem cell therapy can be helpful for their rheumatoid arthritis. Let's discuss that. To answer this question, we first need to separate two very different problems, rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune condition. Your immune system, because of miscommunication, becomes overactive and attacks the lining of your joints and other organs, potentially, in the same way that your immune system would normally attack bacteria and viruses. Osteoarthritis, on the other hand, is a structural joint problem involving cartilage breakdown, bone changes, instability, and degeneration, or wear and tear arthritis. So where do stem cells fit in here? Stem cells are capable of developing into other types of cells. Mesenchymal stem cells, often called mesenchymal stromal cells, can also release signals that may influence inflammation, immune activity, and tissue repair. That has created interest in using these cells to treat rheumatoid arthritis. Early studies suggest that mesenchymal stromal cell therapy may reduce pain and disease activity in some RA patients. But the studies are relatively small, the treatments are not standardized, and we still don't know the ideal source, dose, or long-term effectiveness. Most importantly, stem cell therapy has not been proven to prevent joint damage as reliably as our established RA medications. So at this point, I would not replace medications like disease-modifying treatments or biologic therapy with stem cell treatment. If your RA inflammation remains active, the priority is controlling the autoimmune disease with a traditional disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drug or DMARD. But here is where regenerative medicine may have a more practical role. Even after the RA is controlled, a patient may still have pain from osteoarthritis, the structural damage left behind after years of inflammation, instability, or normal wear and tear. So for select patients with osteoarthritis, particularly knee osteoarthritis, bone marrow concentrate, or BMC, should be considered. With bone marrow concentrate, bone marrow is taken from the back of your pelvis, concentrated, and re-injected into the affected joint. Not only the joint, but the bone, the ligaments as well. It contains platelets, growth factors, signaling cells, and a small number of mesenchymal stromal cells. Current evidence suggests that bone marrow concentrate can improve pain and function in osteoarthritis, in particular knee osteoarthritis, for a few years after treatment. It should not be presented as regrowing an entirely new joint or curing arthritis. However, by treating the damage in the bone, we can slow the progression of the wear and tear arthritis. So the practical strategy that I present to my patients is, first off, control the rheumatoid arthritis with proven disease-modifying medication. Then, if pain remains, determine whether it's coming from persistent inflammation or from structural osteoarthritis. If the inflammation is controlled but osteoarthritis continues to cause pain, bone marrow concentrate is an appropriate treatment option to consider for the right patient. Stem cells are scientifically interesting for rheumatoid arthritis, but as of today, their more practical role is in addressing the osteoarthritis that remains after the autoimmune disease is properly controlled.